वेलकम गाइस। आज आ चुका है BHU स्कूल एंट्रेंस टेस्ट 2023 कक्षा 11वीं के सभी ग्रुप्स का आंसर की, जिसकी हम डिटेल चर्चा यहाँ करने वाले हैं। तो उसके लिए हैं, आइए क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर नज़र डालते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज इनकरेक्टली मैच फॉर द दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड 2023। सो द बेस्ट फिल्म वॉज नॉट द RRR। द बेस्ट फिल्म वॉज ब्रह्मास्त्र विद जिसने दादा साहब फाल्के विद रणबीर कपूर, आलिया भट्ट एंड आर बाल्की। Question number 2. As per the World Happiness Report 2023, which of the following nation is ranked? The Finland is ranked first as the world happiest nation. The second ranked is Denmark. In 2023 is not in 2023. It always hold the first place and Denmark hold the second. The rate of taxes under the goods and service tax system is determined by the rate of tax is determined by GST Council. GST Council determine the rates. The Indian Space Research Organization in April 2023 has successfully completed the landing experiment of the reusable launch vehicle technology demonstration RLV-TD program. The mission was called, the mission name was RLV-LEX. Question number 5. Which of the following is not among the Indian winner of the famous Pulitzer Prize of 2022 in the feature photography category? Danish Siddiqui was involved, Adnam Abidi was involved, Sana Irsad Motto was involved, but Suresh Dev was not involved. So the correct answer is 4. Fill in the blanks in question with appropriate verb. I insist on accuracy in your work. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, insist. Which is correct indirect speech of the sentence? Renu said necessity is the mother of invention. The correct indirect speech of this sentence is option number 1. Renu said that necessity is the mother of invention. What is the meaning of the word vociferous? The meaning of the word vociferous is to express in loud and confident way. What is the plural of the word datum? Datum's plural is data. When the session of sweet silent thought, which figure of speech is employed here? The figure of speech is alliteration. The item on cloud 9 means being very happy. Choose the correct phrasal verb to fill in the blanks. The idea was dash dash in a big way. The idea was caught on a big way. Which of the following sentence is correct? Let's have a game of cricket, shall we? The correct sentence is option number 1. Let's have a game of cricket, shall we? It's a question tag. Beauty is only skin deep means inner beauty is more important. The practice of writing dictionaries is known as lexicography. किस रचनाकार को प्रथम साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला था? तो प्रथम रचनाकार माखनलाल चतुर्वेदी थे। माखनलाल चतुर्वेदी को प्रथम साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला था। जिसे मोक्ष की कामना हो वाक्यांश के लिए एक शब्द है मुमुक्षु। मुमुक्षु इसके लिए एक शब्द होता है। घिघी बांधना मुहावरे का अर्थ है स्पष्ट बोल न सकना। श्रवण शब्द का संधि विच्छेद क्या होता है? श्रोधन अण। श्रोधन अण होता है श्रवण शब्द का संधि विच्छेद। संचारी भाव की संख्या कितनी बताइए? संचारी भाव 33 होते, 33। निम्नलिखित में कौन भक्तिकालीन कवि नहीं है? भक्तिकालीन कवि ध्रुवदास नहीं है। विद्यापति, सूरदास, रसखान सारे भक्तिकालीन कवि हैं, जबकि ध्रुवदास भक्तिकालीन कवि नहीं है। जिस समास में दोनों पद प्रधान नहीं होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे बहुव्रीहि समास कहते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें तीसरा पद प्रधान होता है। अर्थ के आधार पर भाषा की लघुत्तम इकाई, अर्थ के आधार पर भाषा की लघुत्तम इकाई शब्द होती है। शिक्षा साधन होकर साधन है, यह वाक्य है, यह वाक्य सरल वाक्य है। ये आंसर की के हिसाब से सरल वाक्य है, वैसे इसमें हमको भी कंफ्यूजन है थोड़ा सा। कामायनी महाकाव्य की भाषा क्या है? कामायनी महाकाव्य की जो भाषा है वो खड़ी बोली है, जयशंकर प्रसाद की खड़ी बोली में लिखी गई है ये। Burn the magnesium in the presence of oxygen and collect the as and mix it with water and stir. This aqueous solution will change red litmus paper to blue. This solution will change red litmus paper to blue. Option number 2 is correct. Consider the statement: if an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give color change with base. This statement is correct. The percentage solubility of NaCl solution will increase on increasing the temperature, decrease on decreasing the temperature. No change in solubility because of ionic bonds present in NaCl. There will be no change by temperature because the temperature doesn't break the ionic bond. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dipped in a mug containing water as 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will neither flow from the ball to water nor from water to ball, iron ball. Option number 2 is correct. The process of evaporation and condensation for water is due to conversion of water into its vapor and conversion of water vapor into its liquid form respectively. Option number 1 is correct. A basic oxide will be formed by an element. Basic oxide will be formed by potassium. The acid produced in our stomach is produced HCl, hydrochloric acid. A solution turns red litmus to blue. Its pH is likely, its pH will be 10. Which of the following are correct characteristics of isotopes of an element? Same atomic number, same chemical properties. Same chemical properties. So the option number 4 will be correct. When ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius, it gets converted into ethene. In this reaction, concentrated sulfuric acid acts as dehydration agent because the sulfuric acid क्या करता है कि वो हमेशा H2O को बाहर निकाल देता है किसी भी यौगिक के साथ क्रिया करने पर. Concentrated sulfuric acid. The functional group present in propanol. Null means al लगा है. Al always amplifies to the ethanol. CHO. The hydrocarbon 2-methylbutane is a isomer of n-pentane because they are, ये संरचनात्मक सूत्र अलग है लेकिन उनका मुख्य सूत्र सेम होता है. Which of the following alloy contains a non-metal as one of the constituent? Steel contains a non-metal called carbon as its constituent. In the stainless steel, iron metal is mixed with chromium and nickel. The number of protons in one atom of an element X is 8. What will be the number of electrons on its ion X2 minus will be? When the protons in element X is 8, then electrons will be all 8. And if we ionize 8 to minus 2, and then electrons will get 10 and the protons will remain same 8. The atomic number of 4 elements A, B, C, D are 6, 8, 10 and 17 respectively. Out of 4, which 2 elements can react to form ionic bonds? which can B and D will form two ionic bonds, as D is halogen and B is number 8. Number 8, oxygen. Only they have the capability to form ionic bond. Which one will not react with dilute HCl? Which one will not react? Sulfur, because the non-metals doesn't react with acids. Which of the following will not conduct electricity? Oxygen will not conduct electricity as its basic properties. Which one are the following will show a malleability properties? Malleability properties will shown by gold. Which one is not a metal? Diamond is not metal because it contains carbon. The formula of the baking soda is, baking soda's formula is NaHCO3 as sodium bicarbonate. Which of the properties is not shown by an acid? Acid does not show the property of Fields of P. Which one is not an organic acid? Carbonic acid is not an organic acid. It's corrosion of metal and radicity of foods are example of the chemical processes called oxidation. Which of the chemical reaction is combination reaction? ये option number first is correct. Combination reaction when two different get combined in one. Which of the following scientists suggested that the magnet must also exert an equal and opposite force on the current carrying conductor? The correct answer is for Andre Marie Ampere. 50. Option number 1, Andre Marie Ampere. 52. In case of short circuiting, current in the circuit will increase abruptly. In India, potential difference between live wire and neutral wire of main supply is kept to 20 volts. The magnetic field lines passing through the center of the current carrying circular loop is appeared as straight line. The magnetic field inside a current carrying solenoid is the same at all points. Solenoids have its basic properties. The concentric circle represents the magnetic fields around a current carrying straight wire become larger and larger as we move it away. The correct option is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer. Which of the following metal cannot be used as fuse in the electrical circuit? Tungsten cannot be used as fuse because it has a higher melting points, and the fuse wires have lower melting points. As always, the potential difference across the ends of the given metallic wires in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. This is called the Ohm's law. 1 coulomb of charge is equivalent to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. The resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 400 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. The resistivity of the metal at same temperature when the diameter of the wire is 0.1 millimeter is, by the calculation, We can say option number 1 is correct, as R is equal to rho L by A. In a 4 ohm resistance, 400 joule of heat is produced each second. The potential difference across the resistor is 40 volt. How many numbers of 2 ohm resistors are required to get 1 ohm resistance? We will combine them in parallel combination, and combining 2 we will get 1 ohm resistance. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. The current is 1 ampere. The power of the bulb will be 220 watt. If the earth had no atmosphere, then the sky would be looked like black dark. The near point of the eye for a young adult with normal vision is about 25 centimeter. Focal length of eye lens increase when, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? पश्चिमाभी पेशियां शिथिल हो जाती हैं और नेत्र लेंस पतला हो जाता है. इसका आंसर होगा 66. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 विल बी करेक्ट, as answer key shows that ciliary muscles relax and eye lens become thin. Correction of myopic eye is possible by the use of concave lens. By using concave lens, myopic eye is possible. The eye defect in which the eyeball has become too small is called hypermetropia. The twinkling of a star occurs due to atmospheric refraction of starlight. An optician has prescribed a corrective lens of power -2 diopter. The focal length of the lens is -50 centimeter. The SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. The refractive indices of water, kerosene, diamond and benzene with respect to air is 1.33, 1.44, 2.42 and 1.50 respectively. Light travels slower in having larger refractive index. 2.42 diamond 42 diamond. The correct answer will be option number 3, diamond. A concave convex mirror of focal length 10 cm in the air is immersed in the water. Now the focal length of convex mirror is 10 cm. An object O is kept at a distance of 50 cm from the concave mirror. The image is found to be formed on the position of the object O. The focal length of the concave mirror is -25 cm. The image formed by a convex lens is observed to a virtual erect and larger than the object. The position of the object should be between the optical center of the lens and its principal focus. Option number 1 will be correct. कहाँ जा रहा है? क्या हो गया भाई? सीधे जाओ. सीधे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? बीच में कहाँ? हाँ ऐसा. Option number 1. Cositian center is present in the. इसका आंसर गलत है. इसमें 76 का 3. रूट मेरिस्टेम. Cositian center is present in the root meristem. The femur bone in human body is present in thigh. Pectin is present in which part of the plant cell? Pectin is present in cell wall. Which of the following is viral disease? Cholera has a viral disease. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? 79. Influenza. Influenza is a viral disease, not the cholera. Influenza is the viral disease. That was correct. Incorrect. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? Lacrimal. Lifespan of red blood corpuscles. क्या लिखा है? लाल रक्त कणिकाओं का जीवन काल होता है 120 दिन. Total number of bone in human body is 206. What is scientific name of mango? Scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. Which group of the plant is known as amphibian of the plant kingdom? Bryophyte. Bryophyte is plant amphibian of the plant kingdom. Which one of the following disease is non-communicable? Non-communicable disease is cancer. Cancer cannot be communicable. Function of xylem is transport of water. Synthesis of ATP in eukaryotic cell occurs in mitochondria. Chitin is present in the cell wall of fungi. Cellulose is carbohydrate. Which one of the following is prokaryote? Prokaryote. Bacteria is prokaryote. Bacteria is prokaryote. No, bacteria is not prokaryote. Prokaryote is fungi. Fungi is prokaryote. The gap between two neurons is known as impulse, synapse. Which of the following is a plant hormone? Cytokinin. Cytokinin is a plant hormone. In humans, the female reproductive organ is called ovary. What are the two main sources of genetic variations? Genetic variations, heredity and adaptation. No, heredity and adaptations will not be the correct answer. The correct answer is reproduction and mutation. As per the answer key. What is the term used for the inheritance of characters of parents of offspring? Heredity. Which hormone is a gaseous hormone? Ethylene. Ethylene is gaseous. Pyramid of energy is always upright. In a forest ecosystem, green plants are primary producer. Which part of the flower is directly involved in the process of pollination? Stamen. Which one of the following is man-made ecosystem? Aquarium is a man-made ecosystem. बात करते हैं एनालिटिक के पेपर का. एनालिटिक क्या है? तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि जो थ्योरेटिकल या सिलेबस बेसिस क्वेश्चंस हैं वो सारे करेक्ट हो रहे हैं. बाकी जो ऐसे जीके करंट अफेयर्स हैं वो अधिकतर गलत होते जा रहे हैं. आशा करते हैं आप हमारा वीडियो समझ चुके होंगे. कृपया अपने मार्क्स अवश्य शेयर करें कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू.